Hello, John Griswold here with your State of the Market update for San Diego as we are ending the month of August. So here's a crazy stat for you. How many homes should have come on the market in 2023 if we're keeping up with traditional averages? Well, a lot more than did. So about 17,000 homes have come on the market in San Diego County, homes and condos, since the start of the year. We should be at around 33,000 units at the moment, you guys. So we are way below that, about 48% down from what would be a traditional, averages that we would look at. I typically look at between 2017 and 2019 is a much more of a normal snapshot of what we'd like to expect for the health of the San Diego inventory. So what's really crazy though is when you break out those numbers by price point, we are down almost over 50% of the missing homes are stuff priced under $500,000. So a couple years ago, that made up a huge portion of the market. You could buy a single family residence for under $500,000. It almost doesn't exist now, and it really eroded over just the last couple of years. I mean, now it's even challenging to find a single family residence under 750,000, and that keeps getting pushed up. So part of that is just this crazy appreciation that we've experienced over the last several years has just made it much more difficult for first-time home buyers to get into real estate. And then on top of that, you have a lot of people who are in those first-time home buyer properties, and they're deciding to hunker down because anybody that was fortunate enough to buy, especially their first home, between 2020 and 2021, they locked in interest rates that we'll probably never see again, sub 3%. So they are keeping their homes and either buying a second property or they're just finding a way to stay in their home longer so that they don't have to trade a 3% rate for what is rates right now, which is around 7.5% when I'm filming this. So it's a big issue. But anyway, so I just was pretty stunned by those numbers. But if you're trying to figure out why the market is so wonky, that's why. It's just the inventory issue. As I've been saying, it seems like for months now, nothing's going to really change until we see interest rates drop. Anyway, I hope you find this data helpful, and I will talk to you on the next one.